If you're experiencing the installation loop error 2026 in Rocket League, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing your game smoothly. Step 1. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve installation issues. Clear all applications and restart your computer to clear temporary files and reset any processes that may be causing the loop. Step 2. Verify game files. If the game is installed through a platform like Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them automatically. Step 3. Clear temporary files. Navigate to the temporary files folder on your computer. You can do this by typing %temp% in the run dialog, press Windows +R. Delete all files in this folder to remove any corrupted temporary files that may be causing the installation loop. Step 4. Reinstall Rocket League. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Rocket League. This can help eliminate any installation errors that occurred during the initial setup. Step 5. Check for software conflicts. Ensure that no other software is interfering with Rocket League's installation. Disable any antivirus or firewall temporarily and check if the installation proceeds without the loop. Remember to re-enable your security software afterward. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop error and enjoy playing Rocket League again. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.